to Make an Icy Mountain by Logan. First, go to the library at the bottom left of your screen. On the bottom left in the library, there should be something that says building. Tap that. Scroll to the right till you reach something that says tetrahedron. Hold and drag your mountain to where you want it to be placed. Use the arrows to adjust the triangle to an icy mountain. If you pull an arrow to one side, making it too skinny or too wide, keep pulling arrows till you like your shape. You can add more than one mountain together to give it a special effect. I really hope you enjoyed learning how to make an icy mountain. I hope it will be helpful in another project or activity. Thank you for reading or listening to my slideshow.